Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss about the linear equations in one variable. Linear equations in one variable. So, first we should know about these terms. What is linear, what is equation and what is variable. So before that we need to discuss about this equation. What is equation? Equation is nothing but we are doing same on both sides. For example, two persons marks or two persons heights and the cost of pens or something like that. We need to compare from LHS to RHS. We need to do both side on same. So when we are doing both sides or same, we need to keep something in between those two. What is that? That is equal. When those are same, then only we can use this equal symbol. So by using this equal symbol, we can make equations. And for example, take one example. 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. So this is a equation. But how can you say this is equation? Because we are equating this is expression, and this expression we are equating to 0. When we are equating to this 0 on right hand side, then only this expression we can call it as linear equation. Sorry, this is called as equation. So is this linear equation or anything? How can you say the power of x? The power of x is 1. The power of x should not be more than 1. Then only this equation is called as linear equation. So this x is called as variable. Variable is nothing but something unknown. In that place we are using x, y and z, etc. So some unknowns are we are using in that some unknown places. Something by equating this expression to this 0. So we need to know this x value. This unknown value is called as variable. This 5 is called as number or constant, and this 2 is called constant. So this is about the total information about the linear equation in one variable. So in x place we can use y, z, something etc, s, t or any number we can use because this is not fixed. Okay, and okay, next we can solve. So this is total information about this linear equations in one variable. So now we can discuss how these linear equations are used in our day-to-day life. For example, we can take one example. 5 pence cost is 60 rupees. Then what is the cost of 1 pen? So how can you solve this problem? So in this unknown place we can use variable as x, and next we can do cross multiplication, and after that we can make one equation. 5 is multiplied with x is 5x is equal to 1 is multiplied with 60. So this is our equation. Then next we can find out x. How can we find x is equal to 1 into 60 by this 5 is take this side. How can you write here? 5 is multiplied with x. So here we can write it as dividing. So 1 into 60 by 5. So x is equal to 5 1 ja 5 12 ja. So x is 12. So this is x value. So cost of 1 pen cost is equal to 12 rupees. So like this we can use these equations or in our life, but no need to worry, this much of many problems you won't come, but simple problems like this. For example, 2x plus 1 is equal to 3. Then what is the value of x? How can we find? 2x is equal to, this one is take this side, RHS side. How can we write? Here plus 1. So take it this side as minus 1. When you are taking something from LHS to RHS, you can take with sign also. Then that sign will be changed from this side to this side. Here plus 1, you can write it as minus 1. So 2x is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Then here 2 is, write it as 2 divided by 2. You will get 1. X is equal to 1. Like this, we are going to solve linear equations in one variables. Thank you so much for giving this golden opportunity for me.